After we opening the project, it should look empty. Now we can create the WBS or work breakdown structure that has the name of our project. Before creating the WBS or work breakdown structure in Primavera, let us talk a little bit about the WBS. WBS, let's say we are going to construct house. Can we manage constructing a house without decomposing the activities of the house into excavation, concrete, then drawings, then masonry work, paint, and so on? So we make our WBS in order to be able to manage the individual tasks. If you say, okay, I would like to build a house, and that's it, you cannot manage. You cannot find out whether you are ahead or behind because it is a very big scope of work you cannot manage. By doing WBS, we are breaking down the scope of work into smaller, achievable, and related work packages. Like here, building a house, this is a level 0 of WBS. Level 1 will be civil works, architectural works, MEP works. Under level 1 we'll have level 2. Under civil work we can have substructure, superstructure. Under architectural work we'll have rough finishes, final finishes, and so on. Under the latest WBS we can add our activities. So creating a small schedule WBS, what we are doing now, will give us the opportunity to talk about good WBS and bad WBS. The good WBS will capture all project work. Tasks are broken down to a manageable level. Use clear and concise language. Tasks directly support the project goals and deliverables. However, the bad WBS will be missing important tasks. Tasks are too broad or general, contains confusing terms leading to misunderstanding, or tasks are not aligned with the project objectives leading to wasted efforts. The first step in creating work breakdown structure is to start decomposing the scope of work that you have into smaller packages. These packages will be decomposed again into activities. And here, from the best practices in planning, you should discuss with the project team, the owner of the project, the consultant, the contractor, subcontractors, whoever is important, how we are going to construct the project. You might decide to have different, as I said before, different zones, different areas, so it is better to know it at the beginning. Coming back to our Primavera, how to create WBS. Very simple. Go to project, WBS. Let's see it on action. And we can add WBS from this button. So simply we will go here from project WBS, then we can start adding our WBS from here. You can see this one, you can add it. Very simple, very easy. Okay, now we would like to add another WBS because we would like to build a hierarchy. We need to create phase 1 and phase 2 to be in the same level, okay, and in order to have something like this. So we'll have here, this is the project, my first project. Then under this one, we should have phase 1 and phase 2. Let's see how to do it. So simply this one, I'll call it phase 1. Now I need to add a new level and I will call it phase 2. But if you notice that the phase 1 is under phase 2, I don't want it like this. I need them to be in the same level. As you can see here, these arrows will control the level of your WBS. So simply I'm going to go one level back, so phase 1 and phase 2 will be in the same level. Now if I go to the activities, I can see still level 1 and level 2 not in the same level. You can press F5 to refresh the database. Now you can see that I have the project, then level 1 and level 2. If you can see the previous screen in your case, just press F5. So this is before I press F5, it should be like this. After I press F5, it will be like this. Now try doing these steps by yourself and I think you will find it very useful and very easy.